In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit text on Wix Mobile. Whether you're revamping your mobile site or just making a few tweaks, using the Wix Mobile editor is a straightforward way to get exactly the look you want for your website. Let's break down the process step by step so you can easily follow along and make changes with confidence. First things first, you'll need to access your website through the Wix website editor. If you haven't logged in already, go ahead and do so. After logging in, you'll find yourself at the desktop view of your site. But since we're focusing on the mobile version today, the next thing you need to do is click the mobile icon to switch views. This icon is usually located near the top of the screen and looks like a little smartphone. By selecting this, you switch the editor over to show how your site looks on mobile devices. This is crucial because your changes will only impact the mobile layout, leaving the rest of your site untouched. Once you're in mobile view, let's start with editing text. Simply click on the text you want to modify. You'll notice a menu pops up with various options. From this menu, you're going to want to click on the settings icon. This little gear icon opens up a world of customization for your text. Once the settings are open, you will have several options available to you, each allowing you to refine and personalize your text's appearance to better suit your needs. One of the first things you can change is the font size. Adjusting this will either increase or decrease the size of your selected text, helping to enhance legibility or match the style you're aiming for on your site. Next, let's talk about color. You can easily change the text color to match your brand's palette or create contrast for visibility and aesthetic appeal. Bright, bold colors can catch the eye, whereas softer hues offer a more understated elegance. Simply choose the color option in the settings and select from the color picker, or input your specific color code if you have one handy. Another feature you might find useful is the ability to enable vertical text. This is particularly useful if you have a design element that requires text to stand out in a more dynamic format, fitting right alongside or even inside of images or other elements on your page. It's a neat feature to explore for those more adventurous design projects. Lastly, you have text alignment options. You can choose how your text is aligned, left, right, center, or even justified. This is particularly important as it affects readability and the overall look of your web page. Playing around with alignment can help you achieve that just right feeling, perfect for user engagement and visual harmony. And that's it. By the end of these steps, you've successfully edited text on the mobile version of your Wix site. Feel free to experiment with these tools to see what combinations best suit your site's style and your personal preferences. Thank you for joining me today, and happy editing.